Okay, friends, I have a story for you. Story time! All right, before I get into this total shocking mystery box, I need to tell you a little story. So today I went to the P.O. box. I go to the post office almost every day for my reselling business. I sell on eBay and Poshmark. I've been doing it like 10 years. My channel's all about reselling, so make sure you're subscribed. That was a little plug. I just plugged it in there before the story. Plug! So I go to the post office box and I get one of those little yellow cards that says, you have a package that's too large for your box. Now, normally when that happens, they leave a key in there, and I walk over to the large boxes and I open up the box and it's in there. And so I'm thinking, what could be a large box? I'm not even expecting any returns.
So I'm like, what could this box be? I'm not expecting any eBay return or anything.
So I wait in line and she brings out this big brown box and I'm like, what is this? Who's sending me something? I had no idea. So I get home and I open it up and I'll show you what I see. I'll pop in the footage of me opening it up. Because I make YouTube videos and I do a ton of mystery boxes, I knew to record it because I was like, did I order another mystery box I'm not aware of? I do order a lot of mystery boxes. It could be that. I get this note. Hi Quemby, dropping you a quick note with a surprise mystery Newid tag box. Sending this to you as a thank you for your fantastic YouTube content. I've recently had to stop selling on Posh and eBay as I focus on a new job and relocating. As a result, I have a large quantity of inventory to redistribute. I hope you find these items useful and suitable for your closet. Keep up the great work on YouTube. Thank you. Greg. Now, I mean, Greg didn't even leave any contact information for me or anything. So, I'm just like, wow, let's see what he sent me as a surprise mystery. Isn't life amazing? This is why my YouTube channel is called The Grateful Queen. And my other channel is called The Grateful Therapist, all about mental health. I'm so grateful. Things like this happen when you are focused on your community, making connections, making relationships above all else. These wonderful, amazing things can happen. And it's amazing to be on the receiving side of this. I'm so grateful. Let's see what he sent me. This is so fun. Loving it. Do you guys like my brand new to me, because I'm a thrifted girl, Johnny Was top? Johnny Was is a bolo. Be on the lookout for, because it retails on their website for over $300 for a heavily embroidered tunic like this. I'm obsessed with it. My friend Holly.
Hi, Holly.
Posted this top for sale on Instagram and I bought it from her. Since then, I may have been shopping on Poshmark and eBay buying tons of these tops because I'm obsessed. But into the box. So as you can see, everything was like wrapped in bags. I'm still like, this is the best. Let's see what sort of stuff is in here. A pair of Newid tags, J. Jill, denim, size 18. Okay, tip for you. J. Jill's one of my best-selling brands, if not the best-selling. It does the best in large sizes and plus sizes. It's a mature women's brand. Kick flare ankle size 18, Newid tags, jeans. Those are so cute. I wish they were my size. Kick flare? You guys, new, I'm sure these were over $100. J. Jill in the store is very expensive. People love the brand. Oh, look at the print on this, all springy. Pinks and, oh my gosh. This is amazing. Okay, this has a new tag from TJ Maxx on it. I don't see a brand right off. Oh my gosh, it's Free People. Now, if you've watched my channel before,
thank you.
Oh, I forgot to tell you that I put bloopers at the end. I put bloopers at the end of my video. The bloopers could be as long as my entire video, but I try and cut them down. Free People's my absolute favorite brand. It takes a second for my camera to actually focus, but it will. So this is just says FP, which I know is Free People, and it is a long maxi dress. I am dying right now. I wonder if he'd be sad if I kept some of it. So this must go around the neck or else it's strapless. I don't exactly know, but look at this. Come on, oh, it's better than I thought, you guys. It's a jumpsuit. I cannot even believe this. I'm just, you know what? I'm gonna pay it forward too. I'm gonna find somebody else to do something nice like this for, just to keep all the love and gratitude and positive energy moving forward. I believe in that sort of stuff, guys. Do you? Tracy Negociant size extra small. Retails for $134. This is, look at the ruffle. 2021 is all about ruffles. Ruffles on the sleeve, ruffles on the neckline. This is like a midi dress, and it's got all these ruffles. I don't even know how to thank this person, but I will find a way. Friends, I want to take a moment and remind you to subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that little bell. The little bell gives you notifications when I go live. If I'm doing a live Thredup unboxing or a live thrift haul or a live community night, we'd love to have you, so make sure you're subscribed. Calvin Klein size 24W, so it's like a 2X. A new tag, like sleeveless white tunic. Isn't this great for right now? That is a beautiful piece. Calvin Klein career wear can be very expensive, friends. Oh, the light just got weird. $74. Okay. Style & Co. size 18 retails for $49. A pair of springy summer denim in a light yellow. I love selling Style & Co., you guys. This says it's the Bermuda short. Oh, maybe style is French butter. That's a perfect word. But you give me Style & Co., Talbots. J. Krug is modern and mature. You give me those kind of mature women's brands and give me some larger sizes, and that's how my business runs. Like, that's what I sell most of. Then I sell the occasional pair of men's Japanese skinny jeans that I get in a mystery box for $150, but most of my sales are like 10, 15, 20 bucks, 25 bucks. How did he get all this plus size? Charter Club skinny leg size 28 retails for $74.50. These are so cute. Look at these. These are jeans. Size 28 is quite a larger size. That's what, like, I think, is that a 4X? They're like a pinstripe blue and white with the most beautiful romantic flowers. This is the stuff that sells so easy. These brands and plus sizes, there's more, okay? And there's more. Generosity is a practice. This is Jean-Pierre Woman 1X. How did he get all this plus size? I would love to get more plus size. It's just hard to get. Oh, I love this. It's like a longer white sweater. I love white tunicky things in the summer. So I live in Northern California, and it still gets cool here in the evenings, even in the summer. In the morning, we get coastal fog, so I keep light sweaters and cardigans around all the time. That's a perfect staple piece. Another, it's all like spring and summery too, another one of those sweaters in a 3X. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is like really lovely. Okay, we have a couple more things. Thanks for staying with me for this total shocker surprise mystery haul of unexpectedness. Zach and Rachel 2X. Oh my gosh, you guys know how I feel about sleeves, right? Look at the sleeve. Bell sleeve with lace and crochet and ruffles. Oh my goodness. Yes, and again, for 2021 spring, summer, I'm filming this in April 2021. Everything with the sleeves is going on. Ruffles, crochet, open shoulders, 3/4 bell sleeves, all the way, plenty of ruffles, just every type of embellished sleeve is what's going on. And this beautiful blush pink is another Free People top, my favorite brand ever. Oh, look at how pretty this is. It's like a long blush pink cardigan, and then look at the lace on the sleeves and the lace trim on that. Wow. And it has its nude tags as well. Peach Mist for $88. So there you go. I'm so very grateful. What are you grateful for today? Can you do any little act of generosity, no matter how small or how big, for somebody? Let this be a reminder to you. Thanks for watching. Thank you, mystery friend out there who sent me this box. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. See you guys next time. Bye. This is why my YouTube channel is called Tannel. Okay, I don't know if this is recording because I did some weird thing as usual. There's no, it's like, I keep on messing up this new camera, you guys. Okay, friends, I am so shocked right now. Like, just totally stunned and shocked. I'm like so sweating. My office is like almost like an above the garage attic-y type room, and it's hot. Okay, let's just get, all right, let's try this again. Seriously, I'm gonna get fired from YouTube. I'm just waiting for a note from YouTube like, you suck, you're off here. Could they do that? Because the reality of the situation over here is I have no idea what I'm doing most of the time. I make a million bloopers. I'm sharing them with you because most of us will admit that we don't always know what we're doing. We don't have it dialed in 100%. You know, we're all just winging it. We're all just showing up and doing the best we can. At least that's true for me, so I'm sharing it with you. Oh my God, that's amazing. This is like my birthday and Christmas all rolled into one. Style & Co. Another, my business runs on bread and butter mature women's brands. If you just give me Style & Co., J. Jill, I gotta get my hair out of my face, clearly. There must be little. I was just out in the garden with Torvald, my 9-year-old son, gardening. We went and got seeds. So I went from that and I'm like, okay, throw on your new Johnny Was blouse and make this video. Friends, I want to take a moment. I always mess up the word moment. Did they do that? All right, let me start again. Here we go. Gotta plug yourself. Okay. Take 1,700.